This is a through mortise of a joint called a keyed tenon or wedge task tenon. When cutting a through mortise like this, you need to dig from both sides because digging from only one side will result in the opposite side being damaged. First, just like when cutting a normal mortise, cut a mortise which is a little smaller than the actual size. And clean the edges. I intentionally make the middle narrow by cutting slightly towards the inside rather than at a right angle. And cut it the same way on the other side. Okay, the two mortises should be connected now. At this stage, the connected part in the middle is probably still bumpy. Make the inside surface flat by gradually shaving the convex part.